In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify Dawn theme. Dawn is Shopify's clean, flexible starter theme, and with a few thoughtful tweaks, you can get a professional look that matches your brand. First, log into your Shopify admin. This takes you to your store's dashboard where all design and content changes begin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, so the changes you make apply to the right place. Next, navigate to Online Store in the left sidebar and select Themes. This page shows your live theme at the top and any additional themes in your library below. It's the central hub for design work. Find the Dawn theme and click Edit to open the theme editor. You'll see a preview of your store on the right and the controls on the left. The editor lets you change layout, content, and styling without touching code, which is perfect for getting results quickly and safely. Before making changes, take a moment to explore the left-hand menu. It's organized into three key areas: the header at the top, the main sections that stack down the page, and the footer at the bottom. Each section can be expanded to reveal blocks, things like text, images, buttons, and product grids. You can rearrange sections by dragging them, toggle visibility, and adjust settings inside each one to refine spacing, alignment, and content. Now customize your pages using sections. At the top of the editor, use the page or template selector to switch between the home page, product pages, collections, and more. Each template has its own set of sections, so you can tailor the layout to the page type. For example, on the home page you might add a slideshow, featured collection, and image with text. On a product page, focus on the product information, media gallery, and complementary products. Click Add Section to insert new content, then fill in the fields on the left, uploading images, editing headings, and linking buttons. Keep your brand consistent by reusing colors and fonts, and use clear, concise copy. If you need global styling, look for theme settings to adjust colors, typography, and buttons so they apply across the site. As you work, always click Save to apply your changes. The Save button lives at the top right of the editor. Save frequently to avoid losing progress, and use the preview to confirm everything looks good on desktop and mobile. If you make a mistake, undo and redo are available in the editor to step back safely. That's it. Log in, open themes, edit Dawn, explore the sidebar, customize with sections, and save. With these foundations, you'll have a polished storefront ready to convert visitors into customers.